Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Tricky is preparing mango ice cream. This is a homemade dessert recipe which is made without an ice cream maker. All you need is some mango pulp, condensed milk, evaporated milk, whipped cream, and vanilla extract. It's so smooth, creamy, and delicious. You've got to try it to believe it. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Method: add the double cream to a freezer-safe container and whisk for just a couple of seconds. Then add in the condensed milk, evaporated milk, mango pulp, and the vanilla extract. Note: this step can be done using either a manual whisk or an electric whisk. Whisk until well combined. Cover and place the container in the freezer to set. Halfway through the freezing process, remove and mix. Then whisk well until smooth. Add in the chopped mango pieces and mix. Note: the addition of the mango pieces can be omitted. Freeze until set. Alternatively, you can also fill into desired molds or containers of your choice. And that's it. Thank you for stopping by. Do hope you give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy. And most of all, don't forget to enjoy! If you liked this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.